All right, welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Guys, I've been seeing this all over the internet and I just had to make it myself. Gary, what are we making today?
Barbecued donuts, baby.
Yes, that's right. Hey, take your little onion. We're gonna stuff that bad boy with some ground beef and some cheese. We're using Colby today. And guys, I'm telling you what, we'll get this thing wrapped up in bacon because bacon makes everything better.
Everything.
And hey, finish it off with some sauce on top. Let's do this.
All right, guys, and welcome back. We are going to use some Colby Jack cheese, throw it in the meat, throw it to the side while we cut up our onion. We're using white onion today. Nothing fancy, just give it a good slice. Get those beautiful rings. And also to up that bacon flavor, and by the way, we're using 80-20 meat. So it's pretty lean, so we're going to add in some bacon fat just for the heck of it. Because why not? So we'll chop that up and put it in the meat as well. We're using the BBQ Rub and AP. We're going to start off by seasoning our meat with AP. And while that seasoning's working on that meat, we're going to get our smoker up to temp. We're going to use some Royal Oak lump charcoal today. Just wrap that baby up in some bacon. Oh yeah, looking good. Now our charcoal is ready. We're going to use some hickory wood today. Also, we're throwing in some onion peels. It just makes the flavor better. Here's a great shot of our barbecue rub going up. Nice even coat, flip them over. Do the same thing to the other side. Give that a nice coat. And now we are ready to place on the grill. Hey, I just want to say thank you so much for all your support on this channel so far. We love what we do. And we hope you do too. Oh, here's a good shot about 30 minutes into the cook. This is what we're looking like. And we want to go to 165 internal. We're at 150 right now. So we're just going to let that cook on just a little bit longer here. Oh my gosh, I wish y'all could smell this stuff. So after we hit that 155, 160 mark, we're going to glaze with some sauce. Use your favorite barbecue sauce. Oh man, it turned out so good, guys. We're going to flip these over and glaze the other side as well. Absolutely beautiful. This is Flavor Town. I'm telling y'all what. All right, so now we're good to go. Let's plate them up and give it a taste.
All right, guys, you know what time it is.
Taste test.
But first, Gary, what was that joke you were telling me earlier?
They don't want to know.
Let them have it.
Okay. So what do you call a fish wearing a bow tie?
A fish wearing what?
Sophisticated.
Okay. Okay, I got one.
What is it? Let them have it.
All right, how do you follow Will Smith through the snow?
Oh gosh, I don't know.
Let's look for the Fresh Prince.
Fresh Prince. Fresh Prince of
The
Bel Air.
The Bel Air, dude. Oh gosh, that was a classic.
That was great.
Hey,
You ready to give this thing a whirl?
let's give him a close up here.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
See this? Watch this right here. See that right there?
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Cheers.
Beautiful color. Cheers. Oh my god.
Oh gosh, it's so freaking good, dude.
Oh, it's phenomenal.
Oh my lord.
We've really outdone ourselves today, Bob.
Dude, for real though. Hey, let me look at you real quick, audience. You gotta try these, guys. I'm telling you,
Y'all don't know what you're missing.
dude.
All that flavor in one little burger. So crazy.
The onion still got that tiny bit of crunch.
Mm-hmm.
So texture-wise, dude.
10 out of 10.
Wow. Wow.
Flavor-wise, 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh.
Good-looking men doing a video. 10 out of 10.
Times 12.
All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We will catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.
Oh, that's so good.
Bro, I could eat like 100 of these.
I mean, technically we could.